Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this Trifold foam topper for bed mattresses. Alright, so this one features on top we got this little bag here. This is a Trifold memory topper, so you could folds out. You could put it on your floor and use it like as an exercise mat or something like that. And sweet. So it looks like it comes with a nice little bag here that you can put your topper in, set it aside in the closet or something if you need to do that. And then here's this. Okay, so it comes in this nice little roll here. It's not too heavy. This thing probably weighs about 10 pounds. And then basically, okay, so we're gonna have to let it sit for about 24 hours. And we'll just go ahead and unfold this and set it up. And then I'm just gonna, my son's actually gonna be doing a sleep test on this. So a lot of mattresses come with, they're kind of a little bit more firmer. And sometimes people just need a little bit more little softness on top. So these toppers are real nice for that. We have another topper for a different bed. And it's, man, it just puts you to sleep. Just like you just sink in and just like, ah. So anyways, I'm gonna go set this up real quick. Let it vent, looks like, for 24 hours. And then we'll do a sleep test and tell you guys what we think. Okay, my friends, here we are. Just gonna undo this real quick. So if you're gonna use scissors, just be careful that you don't stab your product. Some of these come with like a little razor blade thing to open these up. Kind of handy, but if not, you can just use some scissors and just be really careful. Obviously you don't want to stab your mattress. Okay, there's that, has our little instructions there. And then we're just going to let the air out here and get this out real quick. And like these memory foam things, they vacuum seal them, so they kind of smush down a little bit and then they take a little while to expand. So it's pretty soft right now. And you can see that it has this nice little exterior that you can take off and wash. So hand wash it recommends. That's super nice. And just like that, each of these just has a zipper for each individual little thing here. So it tri-folds up like this. I think one way and the other. Yeah, so if you want to fold it up, that's just like that. You could put it in your closet or whatever. Stow it under the bed or on top of the bed. So this should expand a little bit. I think these come in different sizes, obviously. It says to like kind of pat it out to get the smell up, but we're just gonna, it doesn't have like it has a little bit of an odor, but not super strong. I find that if you just set these out for about 24 hours, I'm gonna leave this here and it should get rid of all the smell, as well as the memory foam should expand. But right now, that is really soft, actually. So, just kind of sinking into it right now. So that is nice. Coupled with like the regular mattress, and put this on top, it's gonna be nice and super soft and comfy. So this one looks like a, what's the smallest one? Twin or a full or a single maybe? So this is going to expand a little bit more. And then we're actually going to be testing it out. My son's I'll put this on his bed. He can sleep on this. So already though, it feels really comfortable. If you were using this as a workout mat or something like that, you could lay down here, get my sandals off, and do like sit-ups and things like that, and not hurt your tailbone. So one thing about doing like sit-ups is doing like a hard floor. I don't know about you guys, but me, doesn't really feel very good because it like my tailbone hurts. So if you have a nice pad like this, you could use it for exercises and things like that as well. So, okay, so we're gonna let it sit for about 24 hours, get all the smell out, put it on the bed. He's gonna sleep on it at night, and then we'll let you know what we think about it. Okay, my friends, well, it's been a day and my son spent the night on here. It's really comfortable actually, but I'm gonna go let him tell us his experience here. So obviously this is a little bit smaller than the regular mattress that we have, and it's a little bit longer. So these come in a bunch of different sizes. So this particular one, you could just fold it up, put it under the bed and use it as like an exercise mat, or you could just put it here. I mean, it covers enough of the bed where you can do it, but it's nice if like guests come over or something like that. It's thick enough where you can just put it on the floor and they can sleep on that, and it's in a pinch, it works nicely. So I'm gonna go interview my son and see how he liked it. Okay, how was your night's sleep there?
It was good. It was really comfortable. The pillow was really nice as well. It was like really cushiony, more than my mattresses. Yeah, it was really nice. I liked it a lot.
So you slept better than normal?
I would say so, yeah. It was pretty nice.
Just kind of like hugged you all night?
Yeah, it's like a big hug all night long.
All right, well there you have it, my friends. It's super comfortable.